Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up email verification in no-code apps with Auth0, full guide step by step clearly. To set up email verification in no-code apps using Auth0, start by creating an Auth0 account if you haven't already. Log in to your Auth0 dashboard. Create a new application by clicking on the Applications tab in the sidebar. Choose the application type that fits your no-code platform. Once created, navigate to the Settings tab of your application. Scroll down to the Email section. Enable the Email Verification toggle. Now, if you want to customize the email template, navigate to the Emails tab in the sidebar. Select the Verification Email template. Edit the subject line and message body as needed. Be sure to include any relevant information, such as a call to action button for the user to confirm their email address. Once you're satisfied with the changes, save the template. Next, visit the API section in your dashboard. Create a new API if you don't have one already. Set the audience and identifier to match your application needs. Now, navigate to the Rules section. You'll want to create a rule that triggers email verification upon user registration. Add a new rule and give it a name, like email verification. In the code section, implement the logic to send the verification email. You can use the Auth0 Management API to send the email. After saving the rule, test it by signing up with a new email address. Check the inbox of the email you used to register. You should receive the verification email you set up earlier. Clicking on the verification link should confirm the email address. Finally, return to your application and ensure that users can only log in after verifying their email. Confirm that the entire flow works smoothly. With these steps complete, your email verification process is now set up in your no-code app using Auth0. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.